Good morning, grade 4. So this is a computer exam revision for December 2025. Question number 1. One networks can be connected wirelessly. The answer is true. Printer connects to many computers within a network. The answer is true. Networks consist of one computer only. The answer is false because a network must be connected to two or more computers. Next question. Network types are LAN and WAN. So local area network and wide area network. The answer is true. We can share files within a network. And yes, we are sharing files within the network. So it's true. A small network is called WAN small. So the comparison there is small and WAN, which is wide area network. Small is local area network. False. We can share resources through networks. True. A WAN network consists of more than one LAN, which is true. A home network considers WAN. When you say home network, it's just a small network, and this is false. We can connect a network by cables. Yes, true. When you click on network, this PC will open or the computer. No, it's a network, so it should be network. Or shared folders or shared computers will open. To open shared files, go to settings, then File Explorer. File Explorer, no, not in the File Explorers, but on the settings. Shared network, shared files. We click Advanced Sharings to share any folder. Yes, true. We can share files and open them within a network. Yes, within the network. We share files from the properties of files. Actually, not from the files, but on the properties of folders. False. Some applications depend on wireless networks, which are useful. Yes, true. It's hard to open files shared on a network. It's hard. No, it's easy. Just click on the sharing button. A cookie is small text file stored by a web server. Cookie, small text file, yes. True. Spam is a program that displays online ads. Spam, ads, should be adware. Adware, online ads. False. Parental control is not important. Take note of the word not. It's important. I love you virus is one of the most dangerous virus. True. Opening spam email cannot spread viruses. Opening cannot. So false. It is not important to use passwords with 8 characters. Not important. 8 should be 8 or more. It is better to keep antivirus updated. Yes, true. Viruses can come through downloading free games. Yes, some games has a virus in it. Some don't have, but some has virus in it. Computers will not be damaged if connected into infected files. Will not. No, it will be infected. There are only 3 types of viruses. 3 only. There's a lot. False. Signal strength poor. So the smaller the lesser the bars. So letter B. Excellent, the full bars. C. fair. So the 3 bars A. Give any computer this ID to connect to your computer. Your ID. G. Used to move files between computers. So the clue is move files. So meaning file transfer. D. Type this ID to connect to another computer. Partner ID. And used to change settings or fix problems. Remote control. What are the two types of computer networks? WAN and LAN. Two or more connected computers in a small area. Small area. Local area network. Consists of two or more LAN. So, wide area. One wide area network. Application used to control another computer remotely. Team viewer. Cable installed for local area network. Coaxial cable. Cheaper cable suitable for LAN. Twisted pair. Virus that sends emails to steal passwords. Sends email. Trojan horses. Program installed without user knowledge. Without your user knowledge, so they are spying on you. Spyware. To protect against viruses, update system or use antivirus, both of them. Internet is important because it is a great source of information. A malware that inserts code into programs to multiply. So generally, it's a virus. So kinds of virus, it's small text files stored by a web server with user data, cookies. Unsolicited emails sent to many recipients. Spam. Program that secretly collects user info. Secretly. So, spyware. Program showing advertisement pop-ups. Advertisement. So, adware. Software that protects your computer from viruses. Protects from virus. So, antivirus. So that's all. Practice more and get a great score in exam. Thank you.